Hello art friends and jewelry making friends. Today I wore my cracked marble art charm bracelet that I made a couple years ago, and I was reminded about how much I enjoy this piece of jewelry. I purchased the bracelet itself pre-made, the bangle, and I did the cracked marbles really with a simple process. I started with a pan that I do not use food in. I used a disposable pan from the Dollar Tree or dollar store, and I baked the marbles at 350 degrees to 450 degrees for 20 minutes, maybe a tiny bit longer. When the marbles came out, I put them in an ice bath, a bowl with ice water, and that's when the marble cracking took place. The outside of the marble is still smooth. I did not drill any holes in the marble. To attach each marble to the charm bracelet, I had a head pin put through a cap bail onto a split ring, which was attached to the split ring on the bracelet itself. They're just a really fun, easy, kind of magical science experiment type of jewelry. Then I added some extra charms on here to fill in the bracelet with some interest. You could do these on a pendant, a necklace, a keychain, so many fun charms, art charms that you can make with cracked marbles. I hope you enjoy this cracked marble mixed media jewelry making art idea. Let me know in the comments if you make some of your own and any other ideas you might have for them. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson at Creative Solace Studios, and thanks so much for subscribing for more mixed media art tutorials.